Is your INFINITI QX50 or QX55 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. These fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. To replace it, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Start by removing the emergency key blade. Pull out the metal blade from the fob. Then use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case at the seam. Be careful to avoid scratches and never use metal tools that could short-circuit the electronics. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity +. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity, and reassemble the fob by snapping the case back together. Test the buttons. If the remote still doesn't work, continue watching. If battery replacement didn't solve the problem, check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean them with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Inspect the button membrane for damage. A hard drop can crack the internal circuit board, requiring professional repair or replacement. Try cycling the key in the ignition 3 times to reprogram it. If problems persist, especially after a drop or in humid climates, you may need dealership reprogramming, typically around $50. Remember, attempting to open the fob improperly can void your warranty, so proceed cautiously. While newer INFINITI models are experimenting with battery-free keys, the QX50, QX55 relies on the CR2032. For optimal performance, avoid cheap aftermarket batteries.